Hi and welcome to Know It Into Being. Today's topic is manifest your SP with gratitude, and let's jump right in because I don't want to waste your time. To manifest your SP with gratitude is one of the best ways to manifest them. Whatever you focus on will be replicated in your 3D. That's one of the most basic functions of the law of attraction and the law of assumption. People are always thinking that their SP is not doing enough for them, and they always want more and they want their SP to do this and that. But actually, if you think about it, doing this means that you are in a perspective of lack, and that perspective of lack will most likely bring you more lack. So whenever your SP did something good for you, they did it because they wanted to, and they wouldn't have done any of that if they didn't love you deeply. Nobody owes you anything, so you can definitely assume that your SP loves you. No matter what happened, you definitely have a special place in your SP's heart. If you're not in contact with your SP right now, then you can focus on the good things they did for you in the past. And if you are in contact with your SP right now, you can focus on the good things of the past and the present. So you can see them from that point of view of knowing that they love you. And no matter what happened, they still love you anyway. So anything they did that was not perfect, just assume that it was just temporary, and you know their perfect version exists in them, because every human being and every living being is actually inherently good. It's just how society shaped and formed us that can lead to some deviation from that love. But that universal love is there in everybody at all times, and you can bring it out in your SP again, and you will see that it will bear fruits if you focus on the right things. If your SP did or said some not so nice things to you, then you should really work on forgiveness. You can forgive them completely, you can forgive them truly from the bottom of your heart. You can really overcome all of these negative stories and you will feel so much better. Plus your SP will come back to you nicer and stronger and better than ever before. And as you already know, everyone is you pushed out, so when you see the good in them, they will also deliver that. So focus on being grateful for everything, no matter how small these things are. Everything your SP did for you that was good came from their heart, and you also shouldn't take them too seriously. Many adults behave like children when it comes to emotional intelligence, so every time your SP is not behaving the way that you intend for them, or the way their best version would, know that this is only temporary. Nothing is forever in this universe. Actually, change is the only constant thing, and know that their temporary not behaving the way you want is just a short-lived period. It could be just one bad day, it could be a short period of them being confused and out of alignment, and it could be also them being stressed by many factors in their life and then also react to you in a way that is not favorable. But if you see them like a baby that is crying and freaking out, and you know that he or she or they will get back to normal again, then just think about that. Forgive them for any weird behavior, because that's actually not what they intend to do. It's only their ego, and they are driven by confusion and stress through many factors in their life, and it maybe not even have that much to do with you, and you can get the perfect version again. Because you know that the perfect version exists, and you know that it can come out and show at any given moment in time. Your SP being not so nice is just temporary for sure, if you forgive them and continue to love them unconditionally. As I mentioned in many of my other videos, you can check out my SP playlist. That unconditional love is actually the only way to sustainably manifest long-term success in your relationship. Some people treat their SP as some sort of enemy that they have to fight for with manifesting, or it's like a battle of wills, your SP's will against yours. But in reality, your SP always loved you and never intended to do anything bad to you. So just forgive them truly. Once you do that, you will see how the magic unfolds. If you focus on gratitude, no matter how small these good things are that your SP did for you, if you focus on these and how they felt, how was it like, how did it feel, what did they do that was perfect for you, focus on how it felt and what they did and how you enjoyed it and how you felt loved. And if you focus on that again and again, instead of focusing on what you want them to do, then you can actually receive more of the good stuff. You get what you think about and you get what you are and who you are. So be loving, be in unconditional love. And if you do that, you will receive more of that. In contrast, when you focus on the bad stuff, then you will also get more of the bad stuff. So pay attention to where your focus is going. If your focus is going to some old story, then try to redirect it. If you cannot forgive your SP entirely for everything they did, then I can highly recommend David Hawkins' Letting Go method and his book. I will put the link into the description. Check it out if you have trouble with forgiveness. I also made some videos about forgiveness and loving unconditionally. You should take a look at them after this video. I will link them on the screen at the end of this video. Thank you so much for being here with me today. I hope you have an amazing day. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell to receive all notifications whenever I post a new video. And please leave a comment with your thoughts and your experiences and your questions. I'm always eager to answer them. I cannot wait to see you again in the next video or in the comments. Happy manifesting. Know your power. You want it, you got it. See you very, very soon. Bye bye.